how to do that, and you just
turn
have
off
then
the
to
server.
type in here which
Because
additional
it's coming in and out and
we have those sensors. For example, here you can see if you just add one new sensor, make 1012, comma, and then add the new sensor. So that's pretty much straightforward. So if you would add 4-wire resistance at maybe channel 36, then make just a comma and then 1036. So that's the way you could do that.
Is Ding using this software for her experiments?
Yeah, everybody use this one. But that's only on PSE side. On our own side, we have our own data acquisition system. Yeah.
But you also could, I don't know how they are connected, you could also implement
Yes,
yours
but we
or
don't
ours
want-
in the others.
We don't know.
We don't have to bring two data sources.
We don't want to change your system. And this is old LabVIEW 8.5. Now we have 2012 and the 2013 version.
So we have,
this is the one that you were looking for, right?
Yeah, that's
before.
It's also the problem we have, so we cannot go back to that version and give our version back.
It's not like Word or Microsoft Word. You can save old version. Yeah. This has no way. If you upgrade for 6 months,
is not,
you cannot go even back. Even
no.
Even each upgrade, after you upgrade, the machine doesn't upgrade, cannot access.
Are these concepts similar to the new version?
It's the same,
The
except
same.
that they use a different communication. Because what we're using is a LabVIEW called the DataMax. This is direct GPIB or something better than.
No, that's
improved
PIP. That's
PIP. Okay.
Yeah, but I mean, from a user point of view, they're going to see screens like this.
No, on our screen we see this.
Okay, it depends how you rotate.
Yeah.
You can change that. It's open.
You can put your live picture.
Okay.
Great. Yeah, you can put whatever
On
it. Yeah, you can see everything, and you can even see different. We are developing different, customized our own software. We can see all the temperature we needed, just different charts. We have data table. So basically, we have a lot of different information. This is just mainly for the solar simulator and the testing platforms. This one is different. It changes with each test, so it's more versatile.
Okay. What is also maybe important is we already talked a lot about calibration. So you can calibrate your sensors, and what will come up is a value for R0, A, and B. So this is how it's defined. It's a linear regression or second polynomial. It's a polynomial regression, and you will get values for R0, A, and B, and you can put them in there.
But you have to.
So once you change that.
So where you run the software does the calibration on its own, or you have to do it separately and feed those numbers in?
You have to do the calibration. You will get out of the calibration these values, put them in, and what we measure is just the resistance, and the software calculates by the resistance the temperature.
Oh, I see. It's the relationship between the resistance and the temperature that you're determining.
That's
in
your
the
calibration. Yes.
Right. Okay.
Yes. And the same is true for the flow meter. With 4 to 20 milliamps, you can change the range of the flow sensor. At the moment it's 0 to 1000 liter per hour. So if you would change that to 1200, you should type that in here. Otherwise you will get wrong values. And for the calibration parameter for the pyranometer, that's 9.24 at the moment, which is in there. If you if you recalibrate that, you will get a new sensitivity for the pyranometer. You can add that here.
Yeah, and once we actually use for this, get a pneumometer, scan, enter, but we got 2 pin connect to your connector. The connector doesn't fit, So we just connect two pins to connect to your pyranometer. With the data, we divide the sensitivity and time our own sensitivity. We get a good scan. I did the work. We get the data. Anyway, we want to turn on the ventilation. Now the air, wind. Have to do outside, right? Is the wind on?
At the moment, it's on.
Should be, yeah.
But you don't.
So then that's good.
The wind is on at the moment, but you could also do it from the inside. You could also implement that in LabVIEW. So there's a programming code how you could do that. I already showed that. So
Okay, that's fine.
no, but we don't need it for that. But there's another program which is called graphical user communication. And there's an interface graphical user communication. And if you want, for example, to program something like you want to change the intensity of the lamps during the test, or you want to change the ventilation speed during the test, that's in here. But that's a separate program.
Mm-hmm.
Take whatever you want, you can put these together. If you look in the source code, here's written how it works.
The question is you cannot run both together, right?
What do you mean both
You
together?
cannot run two LabVIEW programs together.
You can
You
run
just
two.
drag it together.
can run two.
Because the data acquisition
When
only
did-
allow one program access.
But this is not accessible.
Yeah, you have to
data
add
acquisition.
this to the other one.
That's just opening a TCP IP connection
Uh-huh.
to the centralized control system, and then telling the centralized control system, please change the speed of the ventilation, or please change the.
Yeah, we can just copy the code over also.
Yeah.
It's
So
possible.
that's why I gave you that. You can
Yeah.
you can
Code
switch
for
the main
please
lamp
in
field
LabVIEW.
off. You can dim the parameters. It's all accessible from LabVIEW. We gave you a basic program, whatever you want to do. What we, for example, did in the new version of our software, this one here,
Only goes one way.
in the schedule, after the you run through the entire schedule. After that, it's switching off the lamps automatically. So you could be a case, if it's run through, please switch off the lamps. Pretty easy, pretty much straightforward. You can implement that whatever you want. If you want to switch down the ventilation unit of the artificial sky as well, just take the source code, add that, and then add the artificial sky on or off communication, and then shut it off after the test. Pretty much straightforward.
And the lamp location also can be changed from here.
In
Some-
principle, yes, but that will make not so much sense because you will
Well,
have to
if we
scan
want
this-
to do a good
If you want to do the scan,
uniform
That's-
optimization,
Yeah,
well,
but
I think that's long away.
That's possible as yeah. But so this is how it looks directly. There, that's the same. So you could also access the machine from here.
Oh, right. Okay. That's
you
good.
can do all your scanning changes.
Right. Without putting the glasses on,
Yeah.
without being up there. That's
So that's the lamp position.
setting your
Yes.
radiance plane homogeneity.
So this is what I said. If you just one computer can connect to the lamps,
Ah,
you have to
right.
check. You have to
Disconnect.
Disconnect the
it
data
over there,
from
and then go over here. Scanner is also. This is also. It will not. If you set up the scan area over there, it will not communicate it to here. So you have to.
Start.
Yeah, you
Choose one or the other from the start.
Yeah, you could load it.
Load
and
it.
then,
Yeah.
Okay.
Load
oh,
the data.
oh, if you saved it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that would be possible.
Right. Yeah.
Hello.
Down here.
Yes.
UV.
How's it going? I'm good.
Okay, but we already gathered the first data for our
Yeah, I don't know people here today.
Yes.
Hi, Andreas.
So,
So-
having fun?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So what you see already is that we gathered the data at 20 degrees C, and now it's getting to 40 degrees C. We'll check this one thing.
I'm booking everything for.
We're here to.
I'm booking everything for you, and I'm going Monday and Tuesday. To the, is that right? Yeah.
When's
December 11th is the workshop. That's Wednesday. 9:10 conference. You want me to go to both days?
Yeah, in your case, you could.
Yeah. Okay, that's good because I'll go for the weekend too.
Okay.
Before, so stay Monday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. All right. And I'm telling the students start booking for the retreat.
Yeah. For the students, I cannot just hide in the picture.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you're paying for the trade show, right? That's not coming out of the network,
What?
or is the trade show
No.
is part of this Sebring?
No, we haven't finished. It's only.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
That's Concordia or you or something.
Yeah. I mean, with the.
And the expenses, do I follow the same expense format or limitations as the students? Everything's the same?
Yeah, everything's the same.
Okay.
Everything's French.
Asking about the things
I think I have, the students gave me the guidelines.
Okay.
Yeah. So my email, so one of the things is that we have to decide how to make a decision quickly about external students, because they're going to need to know quickly.
Okay.
And that's what I said in the email. We've got lots from Ryerson and U of T.
Yeah.
And now we're getting dribbles of people from one from Dalhousie. So we're going to get others from. But we
How
need
many?
to tell. Well,
How many?
we've only gotten one from Dalhousie right
Which
now,
one?
but we've got 14 from Ryerson and U of T.
Okay.
And so something like, or maybe 15, 11 from Ryerson, 4 from U of T. Now when we go over our limit eventually,
Yeah. Now, what's our limit again?
about 20
Okay.
to 20, 25.
We don't want to go over the limit. Okay.
Okay, so that means, do we let the people, when the numbers go over, who are we gonna say? We're gonna cut back Ryerson. Oh, is it? Because then we got lots from Ryerson.